Hey everybody, how's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to make a menu like this where you can choose which level you're going to play. If you've got a game that has multiple levels, you can add these buttons to choose the level you want to start at. So let's get into it. Let's make a level choice scene. Okay, so we could put text up here. I'm not going to bother yet. Let's just put some buttons, and easiest way is one of these panel sprite buttons because it comes built in with text on it. Green button. Alright, then I'm only going to use one button. I'm not going to make one of these for each level. I'm just using one. But to do that, you have to add a variable to it. So let's edit object, behavior, no, variables, add variable, level. Okay, so we'll leave it at 0 by default, and then I'm just going to copy this, paste it there, and let's just have 3 of them so you can see how it works. Okay, they all say button right now, they're all the same color, but if I select this, and then over here you can change what level it is. Turn that on and off here, properties. Okay, so that one's level 1, this one is level 2, this one is level 3. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now just by that, just doing that by itself does not do anything. Doesn't do anything. We have to now use that variable. So let's go here, add new event, and then add condition. We just want to do setup at the beginning of the scene. Okay, and then we want to replace the word button and put the number of each button in there. So that means we need to select each one of the buttons. So let's do a sub event. There we go, it's indented. And if I select that sub event and hit this plus button for each object, that'll put it above the sub event I had. No, put it below the one I had selected. That's fine. Okay, for each green button, let's add an action. Green button, we're going to change the label of it. We will set it to, and I type in green button, so we're going to use its own variable. There we go, level. Okay, so each button will get its label replaced, and it will save the number that we had stored in the variable. There, did it. Okay, still doesn't do anything when you click on them. Let's add that. That is not a beginning of the scene thing, so we'll just add it here. Let's put a comment so I know what my code is doing. Click on button and go to that level. Let's put one up here too. Rename each button using the level variable. So important to put comments in your code. You know what it's doing when you look at it again. Okay, so the condition is if you click on it. There we go. Green button is clicked. Then we want, remember that global variable we used? So we want to change that global variable. Other actions, variables, change it. Current level, set to. So whatever button we click on, we want that number to be current level. So let's put green button dot level, and that will become the new value for current level. Okay, and then after that, we just go to that scene. Scene, change the scene, game, and okay. All right, so that will set our variable, and then we go to game scene and it should start. So if I choose level 1, there we are at level 1. But if I choose level 2, there we are. It's working. And it should do the same thing if I choose level 3. Yep, still blank. So it's all working. So those are the two ways you can control the levels, either by going, you complete one level, automatically goes to the next one, or having some kind of menu, or both. Should we do something where we unlock these buttons? How about that? Or should that be a different video? Let's make it a different video. We'll see you next time.